I'm George, I'm the founder of CINCH, and I want to show you how easy it is to measure your unit for a refacing kit. CINCH has created an easy to use form that helps you organize all the information required for a successful project.
For replacement hinges that will fit your cabinets and doors, you need to order the right hinge overlay. To measure your hinge overlay, place your tape measure inside the cabinet. Then close the door. You will be able to see your measurement. Double check your measurement by comparing the size of the door and the size of the opening. In this case, the door is 22 inches. The opening is 21, so the door is 1 inch bigger than the opening. Since the door overlaps the opening on both sides, divide the difference by 2. If the door is 1 inch wider than the opening, the hinge overlay is ½ an inch. If the door were 2½ inches bigger than the opening, the hinge overlay would be 1 1/4 inch. Find the option available on the CINCH order form. You always want to remember to measure the width first and then the height, and always measure to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. Use the label notes to indicate any information you want on the part when it gets delivered to you. The part type on the form allows CINCH to know what holes, jigs, and hardware you will need for each part. For each part, you want to make sure you write width first and then height. If you have multiples of a part, indicate the number you will need in the quantity column.
When your order form is complete, double check it. Make sure that the number of parts on the form matches the number of parts that you need. Look over the measurements and be sure they make sense. Then you're ready to submit your order at cinchkit.com.